seen it yet.
I just feel really bad, and I just wanted to tell you that if you need somebody to talk to, then we should sit down, because I just feel really bad.
Thank you. I'm fine. I'm fine now. It just was like everyone was ganging up on me for like two years.
Yeah.
Kourtney Kardashian's decision to escalate her custodianship battle with Travis Barker to the Supreme Court has taken the media and the public by surprise. What started as a legal dispute over their children's custody has quickly turned into a dramatic and high-stakes showdown. After the initial court ruling favored Travis, granting him increased access and more decision-making power concerning their children, Kourtney was reportedly left feeling blindsided and upset. Her determination to secure primary custody has now reached a boiling point, with sources close to her revealing that she's prepared to go to the highest court in the land to fight for what she believes is right. But what led to this drastic move, and what does it mean for her family, her relationship with Travis, and the future of this already intense legal battle? Kourtney has always been fiercely protective of her children, and this legal battle is no different. Her desire to ensure that she remains the primary influence in her children's lives has been the driving force behind her legal actions. However, this latest development shows just how far she is willing to go to secure that role. Insiders close member to Kourtney have said that she was devastated by the ruling, feeling that the court failed to fully acknowledge the bond she shares with her children. For someone as involved in her kids' lives as Kourtney, the idea of losing any control over important decisions regarding their upbringing is something she simply cannot accept. According to those close to her, the ruling that granted Travis more decision-making power left Kourtney feeling betrayed. While she has always acknowledged Travis's importance as a father and his role in their children's lives, she believes that she should be the one to have the final say on matters related to their well-being. Feeling that she had no other choice, Kourtney made the bold decision to take the fight to the Supreme Court. This, according to insiders, is not just about winning a legal battle, but about ensuring that her influence over her children's lives remains unchallenged. The decision to escalate the case to the highest court in the land has shocked many, but for Kourtney, it's a necessary step. She feels that the court's decision didn't reflect the best interests of her children or fully consider the unique relationship she shares with them. This new strategy is her way of ensuring that her role as their primary caregiver remains intact. As one source revealed, Kourtney has tried every other avenue to reach an agreement with Travis, but now, with the ruling in his favor, she's convinced that the Supreme Court is her only option for achieving the outcome she wants. Kourtney's legal team is already hard at work preparing to challenge the ruling. They are reportedly focusing on the argument that the decision didn't fully take into account the children's best interests, emphasizing Kourtney's role as the primary caregiver and her deep connection to her kids. Her legal experts are confident that they have a compelling case, as they believe that her relationship with her children should be given precedence in determining custody. Reaching the Supreme Court is no small feat, and this is a rare move for a celebrity custody case, but with her legal team behind her, Kourtney is determined to see this battle through. On the other hand, Travis Barker is reportedly blindsided by Kourtney's decision to take this to the Supreme Court. While he hasn't publicly commented on the situation, sources close to him have expressed that he's caught off guard by the escalation. Travis has always emphasized his commitment to co-parenting and his desire to be more involved in his children's lives. He believes that having both parents equally involved in the decision-making process is crucial for their development. Travis sees Kourtney's decision as an unnecessary escalation that could create more tension between them, and he is prepared to defend his position as a father. For Travis, this case is not just about legal rights, but about what's best for the children. He believes that when it comes to parenting, both parents must share equal responsibility, and no one person should have more say than the other. Travis has always seen himself as an active and loving father who is deeply involved in every aspect of his children's lives. Whether it's attending school events, helping with homework, or simply spending quality time with them, Travis has always made sure his kids know that he's there for them. The thought that he might lose that connection because of Kourtney's actions is something that weighs heavily on him. He's not just fighting for shared custody, but fighting for his right to be a part of their lives in the same way Kourtney has been. The desire for balance in a family is at the core of Travis's arguments. In his eyes, every decision that impacts his children should be made together, not dictated by one person. As a father, he feels his rights and responsibilities should be on an equal footing with Kourtney's. He has always been hands-on with the children, creating memories that he hopes will shape them into well-rounded individuals. For him, this case is not just about legal rights, but about having a say in what's best for his kids in the long term. His legal team has been actively preparing for every eventuality, making sure that they are fully ready to present his case to the court. They know that this battle is not only about legal outcomes, but emotional ones. Travis's focus remains on ensuring that both parents get an equal opportunity to make decisions for their children's future. As tensions rise, it's clear that both Kourtney and Travis are standing their ground, each believing they are fighting for what's best for their family. This battle has extended beyond just Kourtney and Travis, and has also affected their extended families. Kourtney's mother, Kris Jenner, is reportedly very concerned about how this is impacting her daughter's mental health. Kris, known for her fiercely protective nature, has been trying to keep things under control, but it's clear that the situation is taking a toll. As the matriarch of the Kardashian-Jenner family, Kris is used to handling crises, but this situation is different. It's not just about a public scandal or media rumors, it's about the well-being of her daughter and grandchildren. Kris has been in constant communication with Kourtney, offering emotional and legal support during what can only be described as a stressful and difficult time. Kris is known for being pragmatic in public situations, but behind closed doors, she is said to be deeply worried about how the ongoing legal battle is affecting Kourtney's mental state. Kourtney's sisters have been rallying around her too, offering their emotional support, encouragement, and guidance as she navigates this complex and emotionally charged situation. Kendall, Kylie, and Kim have all been seen by Kourtney's side during this period, providing much-needed comfort and assistance in navigating the legal complexities of the case. Though each sister has their own way of offering help, it's clear that they all understand the gravity of the situation. Kim, for example, who has been heavily involved in legal reform efforts, has been working with high-powered attorneys to ensure that Kourtney's case is represented fairly. But no matter how much support she has from her family, the pressure on Kourtney is immense. The public's constant scrutiny, combined with the growing tension between her and Travis, makes it difficult for her to find peace, let alone make decisions that feel right for her and her children. Meanwhile, Travis's family and close friends are rallying behind him, believing that he deserves a larger role in his children's lives. They understand his frustration and share his concerns about Kourtney's attempt to retain primary custody. From his mother to his closest friends, everyone in Travis's camp is committed to ensuring that he gets the chance to be the father he believes he can be. Travis has always been someone who prefers to maintain his privacy, but this public battle has forced him to open up and speak out for what he feels is his right. He has received an outpouring of support from people who understand his frustration with the situation. His family members believe that the children would benefit greatly from having both parents equally involved in their upbringing, and they are all committed to fighting alongside him in this battle. One of Travis's closest friends, a longtime confidant, has been speaking publicly about his support for him, sharing how difficult this situation has been for Travis. He believes Travis is a loving and devoted father who has always been there for his kids, and it's only natural that he wants a larger role in their lives. Friends close to Travis have expressed concern over how this legal struggle might affect him, both emotionally and physically. They know that the toll this battle is taking on him isn't just about legal fees or court dates, it's about the constant worry over what might happen next. As the case drags on, Travis is preparing himself for whatever comes next, knowing that this fight could have long-lasting consequences. While Kourtney's legal team is putting up a tough defense, Travis is resolute, determined not to back down in the pursuit of what he believes is right for his family. This divide has become a point of contention, and the conflict is far from over. The public has been equally vocal about the custody battle. Fans have taken to social media to voice their opinions, with some supporting Kourtney's relentless determination and others expressing sympathy for Travis. The battle is making headlines across multiple platforms, and every time there's an update, fans weigh in. Some fans tweet about how they admire Kourtney's strength as a mother and her unwavering desire to fight for what she believes is right for her children. One fan wrote, "Kourtney is such a strong mom. I totally understand why she'd go this far for her kids. She just wants what's best for them." On the other hand, there are those who feel that both parents should have equal rights in this matter. One comment read, "It's not right for one parent to make all the decisions." Many of these fans are expressing support for a more balanced custody arrangement. This division among fans mirrors the split in the families themselves, and it only adds to the drama surrounding this legal dispute. The public's constant involvement has made it harder for both Kourtney and Travis to find space to think and process the situation. With the media constantly analyzing every move they make, it's difficult for them to have private moments where they can just focus on their children's well-being. For many fans, it's not just about the custody battle. It's about what the right thing is for the kids involved. While many may have strong opinions, what gets lost in all of this is that real lives and real children are at the center of this conflict. If Kourtney's case does make it to the Supreme Court, it could set a precedent for future celebrity custody battles. Legal experts suggest that this case will shine a spotlight on the unique challenges celebrity families face, including media, scrutiny, and the intense pressure to maintain a public image. Courtroom dramas like these often have far-reaching effects, not just on the families involved, but also on the public's perception of celebrity culture. This case is more than just about custody, it's about privacy, influence, and the protection of family bonds under the public eye. Legal experts have noted that this case could influence how future custody cases are approached, especially for high-profile families. The public's involvement and opinions could sway court decisions in ways that might not be expected in a typical custody case. This makes the outcome of the case even more unpredictable and the stakes much higher. For Kourtney, this legal battle isn't just about legal rights. It's about her unyielding love for her children and her desire to protect her relationship with them. Friends say she's committed to ensuring that her influence in their lives remains central, regardless of the public fallout or legal hurdles she faces. She feels that by taking this case as far as the Supreme Court, she's doing whatever it takes to safeguard her role as a mother. Kourtney's unwavering determination to protect her family has only strengthened her resolve. She's aware of the public pressure and the toll that the legal battle is taking on her family, but she remains steadfast in her pursuit. She wants her children to know that no matter what happens, she fought for them with everything she had. Kourtney believes that this fight is necessary to secure the future she envisions for her children, a future where they are loved, cared for, and protected by both of their parents equally. As the case progresses, the public is becoming more divided on who is in the right. Some feel that Kourtney's position is justified given her strong desire to protect her kids, while others believe that a shared custody arrangement would be healthier for everyone involved. For Kourtney, the pressure of trying to maintain a choosy public image, protect her children, and fight for what she believes in is incredibly difficult. She's not only facing Travis and the legal system, but also the expectations of the public. In the coming weeks, both sides will continue to battle it out in court. Every hearing, every decision made will bring them one step closer to determining the future of this family. Both Travis and Kourtney have supporters, and both are determined to keep fighting. What will happen when the dust settles? Only time.